Hello, Stickasaurus here, and today we're going to start on another Wild Force New Frontier helmet. Armadillo. I printed this thing 3 times. First, too small. Second, too big. Third time, just right. I wish it was a bear, that would have worked. But, yeah, awesome helmet. Awesome helmet, great design. Looking forward to doing this. Hopefully we have less issues than we did with the Rhino. If you saw, the back lines up. That's important, and that's good news. So we can actually proceed with this. I don't know what I did the last one, but I should have did that first. But we did it this time, so we're sure it works. A-okay. Really love this design. It's pretty interesting having no eyes. I mean, I get it. Armadillos, do they? I guess wolves don't have eyes, right? Right? Maybe this is supposed to have eyes. I don't know. I'll have to look up the reference. That's the plans we're at. We're going to hit this with some spot putty and get to the favorite thing of everybody, sanding. Still haven't gotten a purple for Armadillo here, so we're going to put just the black on it so we actually get some progress on it. But I will get purple. That was a terrible thing to mask, but we're gonna do the silver next. I masked right below where the gold is, so once we get the silver on, let it cure. We'll just do light masking and then get the gold on. I think it's gonna be the easiest way to do that little line, I think. We'll see, we'll find out, but let's get the silver done. We're gonna get the magnets, elastic, and visor in, and then we'll get to the spin around. Finally, we got another Wild Force New Frontier helmet done.
so many coming. There's so many in the pipeline. I promise you. Some of these were just holds out from when I printed stuff differently, or like these models weren't, you know, the absolute favorite thing I've ever worked on. But this is Armadillo, and it is awesome. I love it. Color is awesome. The design is sick. I think it looks great on. It really fits the Wild Force theme. I always like the Armadillo Zord being a little like soccer ball kind of thing. I always thought that was cool. But, you know, Wild Force New Frontier is killing it. There are so many Rangers now, and each design doesn't feel like a lazy like adaptation. They certainly put the effort and creativity into it to make them all unique, but the same, if that makes sense. I don't know. I love it. But we have a lot more coming. We have Peacock, Kong, Elephant, a new Rhino, the four-bearer Rhino, I believe, Hippo, Turtle, Giraffe, and hopefully Snail, all coming. They will be, I promise, trying to get these all to come to life. But I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you check out Wild Force New Frontier. I will put their Instagram down in the description if you want to check it out. I can't wait to get this to its new home. I'm excited. I hope they like it. But thanks for watching. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter at Stickasaurus. Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplay Props. Down in the description is my link tree. If you want to check out the Discord or the Patreon, where we're doing community builds over there. Got $1 tiers, vote on everything, exclusive videos, behind the scenes stuff, all kinds of stuff there, as well as the merch store if you're interested in any like the new t-shirts. We got some pixel art shirts that are really cool and some other stuff coming. Hopefully my Patient Snail shirt is on there from New Frontier, so check that out. Hopefully that helmet is coming soon. Hopefully. Gotta be patient. If you're interested in any patches you see on my apron, check out K20's custom store on Etsy. Down in the description, you can use my code KRStronger or the link to get 50% off your patches. But other than that, have a great day, and I'll see you next time.